Today, we're in for a real treat as we take our beloved dog, Apollo, on an exciting adventure to a water park. It's a beautiful day, and we can't wait to share this experience with you. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's start walking. Before we jump in, if you enjoy our content, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more engaging videos for you. Today, we will also diving into the heartwarming journey of a very special pup named Apollo. Since he joined us on April 21st, 2021, he has filled our lives with joy, laughter, and a whole lot of love. From the moment Apollo bounded into our lives, it was clear that he was no ordinary dog. His energy is infectious, and his playful spirit lights up every room he enters. Whether he's chasing after his favorite toy or playfully tugging at our shoelaces, Apollo has a knack for turning even the simplest moments into cherished memories. This is how Apollo grew up in pictures in 61 seconds. We also had a chance to revisit Apollo's favorite spot 4 years ago. This is where we are going to start the walk with Apollo. Dog parks are a great place for socialization, as dogs can meet other animals and explore new smells, which is vital for their mental stimulation and reduces stress. Walking in a park also provides essential physical exercise, helps with weight management, and is a great way for both dogs and owners to bond and de-stress. Additionally, a majority of owners walk their dogs because they believe it makes their pet happier and more relaxed, and for some, it's a chance to take social media-worthy photos. Walking your dog is extremely beneficial for a number of reasons. Number 1. Socialization. Parks are an ideal place for pups to meet other dogs and practice important social skills from a young age. Number 2. Mental stimulation. Beyond physical exercise, new sights, sounds, and smells provide a mental workout that helps prevent boredom and anxiety. Number 3. Stress relief. Regular walks and exploring new environments are excellent for relieving stress and anxiety in dogs. Number 4. Physical health. Walks help dogs maintain a healthy weight, preserve muscle tone, and prevent joint problems. They used to have a bridge on this site, and it's called Bailey Bridge. The Bailey Bridge was removed from Chorlton Water Park due to safety concerns, as it had a structural fault and was no longer safe for public use. Manchester City Council is designing and will install a new bridge to replace it. I just want to share some funny things. What do dogs like to do on walks? That if the dog is enjoying the walk, they will walk vigorously, sniff around a lot, pay close attention to their surroundings, attempt to socialize with people and dogs they pass by, and generally just have a relaxed body posture and content facial expression.
Come on.
Funny things dogs do with water while walking can include enthusiastic splashing, drinking excessively, or compulsively chewing at puddles and hoses. For a dog that loves water, you can make walks more fun with activities like playing fetch in puddles or bringing a portable water bowl for them to splash in. And then finally, Apollo noticed a very familiar scent and place where he used to play with ducks and sit down for a moment. Dogs love to play in water in the park because it's a fun and refreshing way to exercise, cool off, and play. Water provides a low-impact way for dogs to burn energy, and the sensory experience of splashing is mentally stimulating. For some breeds, especially those bred for water, it's a natural instinct and enjoyable pastime.
Come on.
After a dog walk, provide your dog with a calm break to rest and recover, which is essential for their mental and physical well-being. This allows them to de-stress, process what they've learned, and regenerate their body. I brought my drone to make a bird's eye view of the place while walking with Apollo. As we wrap up our adventure, I can't help but feel grateful for these moments spent outdoors, soaking in the fresh air and enjoying the beauty of nature. Apollo has had a blast exploring every nook and cranny, and I hope you've enjoyed the journey with us. Now, it's time to treat ourselves. We're stopping by our favorite cafe for a little coffee and a snack. After all that walking, we deserve a little pick-me-up. Walking a dog in nature offers a unique and profound reflection of the human-animal bond and the beauty of the natural world, providing both physical and mental health benefits. It's a shared experience where the owner's stress can be relieved and their mind can find clarity, while the dog experiences the present moment, leading to a moment of shared peace and connection to the natural environment.